If you want strong kidneys, a clean liver, and a healthy colon, then make this natural juice at home. This juice is so powerful and yet so easy to make. In this video, I'll show you how to make this super powerful detox juice that works wonders for your body. But before we dive into it, smash that subscribe button if you want more natural ways to look and feel better. The first ingredient for this video is pineapple. Pineapple is packed with bromelain, an enzyme that fights inflammation, aids digestion, and helps cleanse the colon. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system to fight against infections and promotes wound healing. In addition to this, pineapple flushes out toxins and supports liver and kidney health. It is also rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene and vitamin C that protect vision. This fruit here promotes collagen production, keeping skin firm and youthful. It also has natural sugars and B vitamins, which provide sustained energy. Throughout various traditions, the peel of pineapple has been used to ease sore throat, fight against infections, and alleviate symptoms of the common cold or flu. This fruit is also excellent for your weight loss journey. It is low in calories but high in water and fiber to keep you full longer. It also supports heart health by reducing oxidative stress and improve blood circulation. It's also important to mention that the bromelain in pineapple is helped to reduce inflammation, swelling, and joint pain. And bromelain, a natural enzyme, helps to break down proteins for easier digestion. This fruit pineapple, the first of our ingredients, will make our juice potent. The next ingredient is cucumber. Cucumber keeps you hydrated and flushes toxins from the kidneys. Did you know that cucumber helps to prevent kidney stones? It also contains fiber to support regular bowel movements and relieve constipation. In addition to this, it is low in calories but high in water and fiber to help keep you full. This makes it perfect for those who are on a weight loss journey. In addition to this, cucumber helps to soothe skin irritation, reduces swelling. The potassium content helps balance sodium and regulate blood pressure. It also helps to cleanse the blood and remove waste from the body. It also contains natural compounds that kill harmful bacteria in the mouth and promote fresher breath. And finally, the silica content helps strengthen connective tissues and supports overall joint health. After slicing our cucumber, we then place our pineapple and cucumber into our blender. For the purpose of this video, we're using 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks and 1 medium cucumber. I will place the full recipe in the description. For all the persons who have made it thus far, remember to share this video, remember to subscribe, remember to leave a comment. Remember, what we're making is a complete detox juice that will help with overall body function. Drinking a glass of this potent juice once daily will help to cleanse the colon, strengthen the kidneys and liver, help with gallbladder support and overall health. The third ingredient that we're adding is ginger, which helps with circulation. Then we pour in our olive oil. Olive oil improves nutrient absorption and lubricates the intestines. Our fifth ingredient will be Eliyah Mashiach bee powder, which is made of red clover, dandelion, burdock root, and cascara sagrada. I am using 1 teaspoon of Eliyah Mashiach bee powder. This powder is excellent for gut, liver, and kidney health. If you want Eliyah Mashiach bee powder, I will leave a link in the description where you can get it. After adding Eliyah Mashiach bee powder, then we add our water. Then we cover our blender and then we blend until we get a smooth texture. Please remember to share this video with a friend who you know is in need of this. This is a wonderful juice to have with so many amazing health benefits. Drinking this juice will help with circulation. This juice will help with kidney and liver function. This juice will help with heart health, the lymphatic system. This will help to remove excessive waste from the intestines and boost overall health and well-being. Comment bee powder if you want it.